Meet OTbase, your all-in-one productivity and collaboration tool for building secure, resilient OT networks. With OTbase, all stakeholders work in a unified workspace powered by automated OT asset inventory, no hardware sensors needed, full visibility from level 3 down to level 0, multidimensional CMDB, software, network, ISA 95 functions and geolocation, interactive floor maps for real-time situational awareness. Go beyond visibility with vulnerability analytics that reduce your attack surface, policy enforcement to flag prohibited software and insecure protocols, data flow insights to detect suspicious traffic and internet exposure, obsolescence management for outdated firmware. When it's time to report, OTbase delivers built-in dashboards, seamless integrations with Power BI, ServiceNow, and Splunk. OTbase doesn't just improve security, it saves engineering time and minimizes business risk. Want to transform your OT operations? Let's talk. We're proud to partner with OTbase to bring this to your organization.